Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister designate N. Chandrababu Naidu is set to be sworn in at exactly 11:27 a.m. on June 12th. But as we know, Hyderabad is no longer the capital of Andhra Pradesh. So where is Naidu's oath ceremony taking place? Well, initially the ceremony was scheduled to take place in Amravati, the new state capital, but now it has been shifted to Kesarapalli IT Park. Why? Let's find out. Inaugurated by former Andhra Chief Minister Y.S. Rajasekhar Reddy in 2006, the Kesarapalli IT Park is built with the intention of turning Vijayawada into an IT hub. Now, the reasons for the shift appear to be purely logistical. Multiple leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and representatives from the central government, the BJP, and other political parties are expected to be present at the ceremony. The IT park is located close to the Vijayawada International Airport and is less than 20 kilometers from Vijayawada city. In addition, the IT park ground where the swearing-in is set to take place has seating capacity of 50,000 people covering around 18 to 20 acres of land, which may prove necessary. Thousands of TDP, Jan Sena Party and BJP supporters are expected to attend the swearing-in ceremony as reported by the Indian Express. On the other hand, Amravati is nearly 35 kilometers from Vijayawada Airport, which raises a host of logistical concerns considering the political stature of those expected to attend. Now, if the swearing-in was to be held in Amravati, at least 6 helipads would have to be built to facilitate movement from airport to Amravati. Moreover, Amravati has seen little development in the past 5 years. Now, the question is why Amravati is not ready. Well, Naidu himself laid the city's foundation stone in 2015. Spread over 217 square kilometers of land, the Amravati city was the TDP chief's pet project, given Andhra Pradesh lost Hyderabad, a city which Naidu helped develop into one of India's major IT hubs, to Telangana in the bifurcation. But after Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSR Congress party secured a landslide victory in 2019 state assembly elections, it saw little progress. Instead of doubling down on Amravati's development, Jagan came up with a 3-capital formula. Visakhapatnam would be the executive capital, Amravati would be the legislative capital, and Kurnool would be the judicial capital. Jagan's freeze on the development of Amravati was devastating for farmers who had handed over their land on being promised prime real estate in the new city, as well as developers connected to Naidu who were looking to make a quick buck. Over the past 5 years, property prices in Amravati tanked to as low as 3,500 per square yard. But now, Naidu's return to power promises better times for the city. In March 2022, the AP High Court directed the then YSRCP government that Amravati should be developed as the state capital. The Jagan government subsequently challenged this order in the Supreme Court, where the matter is still pending. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.